Jetson is a Swedish company with a mission to change the way we travel. We aim to make the skies available for everyone with our safe personal electric aerial vehicle. Prototype proof of concept was finished in the spring of 2018, and until now Jetson has been very busy working on a consumer-friendly version. That project resulted in Jetson ONE, a commercially available personal electric aerial vehicle that you can own and fly. Jetson was founded by Peter Turnstrom and Tomasz Paton in 2017. Jetson ONE is made in aluminum and carbon fiber, powered by 8 powerful electric motors. Jetson ONE is an ultralight and extremely fun-to-fly recreational all-electric personal vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Jetson ONE mission is to make the skies available for everyone with our safe personal electric aerial vehicle. Get ready to experience a completely new and exciting way of travel.